Hey bad kids, and welcome to my channel. In this episode, Brandi and I explore Malta, starting with a hop-on hop-off bus tour of Gozo Island, including Victoria, Dwejra and its inland sea, and Xlendi Bay, our favourite. We also take a boat tour to see the Blue Lagoon and some caves, and top it all off Malta style with a skinny dip and a club sesh. The great noise like that. Malta, baby! Ooh. Let's go!
We got the fire warm and the stars are out tonight. All I need is you and I. You're the one I adore, and with you by my side, we are free in paradise.
Our first dinner, Salumeria Gardens. We're getting the lot.
When you kiss me, I feel like paradise. It may be the coldest outside,
Oh, it's a good one too. we just kissed 18-year-olds for shots. Only in Malta, they're younger than better. Yum.
We got the fire warm and the stars are out tonight. All I need is you and I. You're the one I adore, and with you by my side, we are free in paradise. We got the fire warm and the stars are out tonight. All I need is you and I. You're the one I adore, and with you by my side, we are free in paradise. When you kiss me.
So this is the inland sea. The only access to the ocean is through that tunnel there. At the moment we're on the westernmost coast of Gozo.
It may be the coldest outside, yeah.
This water's amazing. So cold as well with the blue hole. So deep. Oh my gosh.
That's crazy.
How can you see them?
I think I cut my foot.
That fungus rock, which is a parasitic flowering plant, was so beautiful underwater. It was really pretty.
Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo me quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo me quiero pasarla.
Yum.
Buscaba una así. Desde que te vi, buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí.
Hi! That's the video.
buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo bien quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo bien quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi, buscaba una así. Desde que te vi, buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí.
Ooh, 41 degrees. Love it. Look at this lift. €1. I'm going up. That fully gave me vertigo. Oh my god. Skinny dipping. Bye. Only broke out, not in. To find a lighthouse, and we found a closed beach club and went skinny dipping instead. Success. Take it off. This is the end, we're leaving. We didn't even plan to depart flights at the same time, but we got to spend time at the airport again.
Listening to beautiful piano.
I know, we got a free show with multiple artists playing. Goodbyes are the hardest. I'm tearing up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next time, I head to the beautiful Venice.